Hey guys, in this video we are going for the type 4 in the nth derivative, which is nothing but partial fraction. Now how to identify, that is the important thing, right? What is partial fraction method? How to identify the given question is in partial fraction? Where to apply? How to apply? The procedure we'll try to understand. So let us take the first question. Here it is 6x divided by x square minus 4 into x minus 1. The first and the foremost thing you have to see that whether the given fraction is what improper or proper fraction, in the sense what you understand by that. Whenever for example 18 by 25, this is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator, so we call it as proper fraction. The same concept here, but the thing is that in polynomial functions we have to see the degree, in the sense if it is x power 1, we called it as degree is 1, x power 2, degree is 2. So it is quadratic, linear, cubic, like that, so on, right? So the same concept applies here. So we have to see whether the degree in the numerator is less than the denominator. If it is there, go for partial fraction. Again I'll repeat, degree in numerator, if it is less, numerator num I'll write, is less than denominator, less than den denominator, then we have to go for partial fraction. For example, in this question you can see the numerator we are having x power 1, so degree in numerator is 1, but the degree in denominator is what? Here x square is there, here x is there, so when you expand the bracket you will be getting x cube as the highest degree of x. So that means here numerator denominator x cube is there, numerator x power 1 is there. That means what? The numerator part is degree is less than denominator, correct? So we'll go for partial fraction. How to do that? Let us see. So y is equal to, I'll name this function as y, 6x divided by denominator part. If you observe, this x square minus 4 can be rewritten in which form? X square minus 2 square. So it will be 6x divided by x square minus 2 square into x minus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but a linear factor x minus 1. Oh, but this thing will simplify and write it as 6x divided by, it will be a square minus b square. What is that? A plus b into a minus b. So it will be x plus 2 into x minus 2 into what is left out, x minus 1, correct? This is the simplified version. Now we have got what? Three linear factors we have got. Linear factors you will be getting in question, as well as quadratic factors. So when you are getting linear factors, what is the procedure you have to understand, right? So the procedure is very simple. Let us see. Suppose you are getting a numerator divided by x minus a into x minus b. Okay, two linear factors if you are getting, it can be resolved or decomposed into partial fractions as a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b, where these two are nothing but linear factors. So you can compare it with this thing. So no need to worry about whether it is plus sign is there, x plus 2 is there, x minus 2 is there. Linear factors means linear factors, that's it. So this part can be resolved into partial fraction as this. The same logic will be applied here. What about the third factor? Plus c. If one more factor is there, plus c, x minus whatever, c is there, d is there, whatever is there, that you have to substitute. So let us write y is equal to 6x divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 can be resolved into partial fraction as a divided by x plus 2 plus b divided by x minus 2 plus c divided by x minus 1. Simple concept. The thing is that here 2 equal to sign is there, so you will get confused. So what I'll do, anyways, you know this part is nothing but y, so you can y equal to 0 you eliminate. Afterwards we'll put y equal to that thing. Okay, so we'll focus on this particular thing and this particular thing. Now what you will take, the simple steps I'll be doing, each and every minute step I'll be doing, so that you will understand. Okay, directly also you can do, but thing is that you have to understand each and every step. So left, right hand side RHS part I'll take LCM. What will happen? See here, LHS side remains as it is. So see carefully. In denominator of a, x plus 2 is sitting. What is LCM? This. Its multiplication of all three will be the LCM, that we know. So one more thing I'll tell you for hint, that basic meaning is that this particular LHS part denominator, that is this particular part, will be there on RHS part denominator. Always remember, LHS part denominator will be there on RHS part denominator. That is nothing but the LCM. So no need to worry about what will be LCM, what will be LCM. It will be same as LHS part denominator. Okay. So just to copy paste that. So the numerator part, don't write a plus b plus c and come. We have to take LCM, right? So how to take LCM? X plus 2 is sitting below a. What is missing now? X minus 2 and x minus 1 is missing. That has to be multiplied there. So a has to be multiplied with x minus 2 and x minus 1. So whatever is not there with a, that you have to multiply. Plus b into. Now below b, what is sitting? X minus 2 is sitting. Okay, so what is not there? X plus 2 and x minus 1 is not there. That you have to write. That part is done. Now plus c, space is not there. So what I will do? Now plus c into, now below c, what is not there? X minus 1 is already there. So x minus 2 and x plus 2. Okay, this part is done. Now this LHS part denominator and this RHS part denominator will get cancelled. Simple thing. So that's why I said if you want you can avoid that also, that step. Simply you have to take only the numerator part of each. That is also, if you practice the question you will be getting that. Okay. So for understanding purpose I did all the steps. So it will be equal to 6x equal to a into, copy paste that thing. So our intention here is to find A, B, C values. Okay, remember that A, B, C values. How to find that? Now the basic two methods can be applied here. Either you can expand this entire thing and get the value of ABC. Comparing the coefficients LHS as well as RHS, you can get the values. Another better easy method is to substitute some value of x. Okay, substitute some value of x and eliminate two variables, because here three variables is rare. So eliminate two variables and get the value of one variable. Well, let us try that. Okay, so what we are going to do, so if I substitute, see for example what are common things you can observe. See here x minus 2 is there, x minus 2 here also is sitting, correct, two places. So I can eliminate a and c by putting what value of x. If I put x value as 2, then what happens? This entire thing will be gone, because here 2 minus 2 is how much? 0. So this 0 into anything is 0. Only b part will be remaining, because here 2 if you substitute you won't be getting 0, right? So I'll put x equal to 2. So LHS also I have to put x equal to 2. So it will be 6 into 2 LHS part equal to, a part is gone, no need to write, only write b part. So b into 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 1. Simple concept. C also is gone. Okay, no need to write that. Now what will be this one? That implies it is equal to 12 equal to b into, how much you are getting? 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 will go that side. 12 divided by 4, how much? So b value you will be getting 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. One more thing I like to tell you, that here we took, when you expanded you took it as a plus b into a minus b. You can take reverse also. It can be x minus 2 first, then x plus 2 second. So when you take x minus 2 first, then a will be having this x minus 2. So no need to worry about that. That is, doesn't matter. Only thing is that we have to find whatever a, b, c is there. Below that whatever value is there, go by this procedure and get the values of the variable. That's it. So, okay, let us go for next. So here next we'll see, here x minus 1 is sitting, here also x minus 1 is sitting. So what we can do, we can eliminate that a and b variable. How to eliminate? Put x equal to 1. So if I put x equal to 1, what happens? 6 into 1 equal to A part is gone, B part is gone, what is left out? C part. C into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 2. Correct? So that implies what you will be getting 6 equal to C into 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus 3 will go there. So 6 divided by minus 3 equal to C. That implies C value is equal to 3 2s are, so minus 2. So I got C value also. Okay. So here what you got? B value is 3. Now I have to get A value. For that purpose, let us see what we can eliminate. X plus 2 is sitting. Here also x plus 2. But if you put x plus 2, I'll be getting A value. Yes, so correct. So in place of x, what I can put? Minus 2. So I'll put minus 2. So minus 2 if you put here and here, what will happen? It will get eliminated. Only part is that A part is remaining. So 6 into minus 2 equal to A into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1. So that implies minus 12 equal to A into minus 4 into minus 3. So it will be plus 12. If it goes there, it will be minus 12 by 12 is equal to A. That implies A value is equal to 1. This part is also done. So what I'll do, I'll substitute ABC values whatever we got. So 3 divided by A is 3, x plus 2 plus B divided by, so B value is what? Minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus C value is how much? Minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay, so we got all the values of ABC. Now we can go for the nth derivative. So after finding ABC partial fraction, we can go for nth derivative. How to find? Let us see. So the nth derivative yn is equal to this particular thing. What will happen? Nth derivative dn of this whole thing. This I am writing each and every step. Okay, so yn is equal to what is dn? D power n basically means what? Nth derivative. Okay, don't get confused. This basically means nth derivative of this particular function. Now separately we'll take minus minus is there. Separately we'll take so nth derivative of 3 divided by 3 divided by, so 3 I'll take outside, 1 divided by x plus 2. Then minus is there, nth derivative of 1 divided by x minus 2. Then nth derivative of 2 is also there, so 2 I'll take outside, 1 divided by x minus 1. So that your terms are constant. Whatever is constant, you take it outside. Okay. So yn value we got. Now simplified version we have to get, right? If we are getting y value as 1 by ax plus b, then the nth derivative is given as, little more space is required. So the nth derivative is given as minus 1 power n a power n factorial divided by ax plus b power n plus 1. This is the formula we are going to apply here. So when you focus on the first term, what you understand, 3 is outside. Nth derivative of 1 by x plus 2. What is a value, b value? Here you will observe coefficient of x is a value, right? So here it should be 1. So a is 1, b is 2. Let us apply this formula. N will remain as it is, okay? So minus 1 power n, a power n. So instead of a, what I have to substitute? 1 power n into n factorial divided by ax plus b, that means x plus 2 power n plus 1. Done. Minus, now nth derivative of this thing. What is a value? Again a value is a coefficient of x. So it will be minus 1 power n. A will be 1 power n into n factorial divided by x minus 2 power n plus 1 minus, then 2 into, again same formula, only change is that 1 is the coefficient, so again the same thing, minus 1 power n 1 power n factorial divided by x minus 1 power n plus 1. So this is the formula. From this, anything to be taken common. If the simplified version can be written as yn is equal to, so you take minus 1 power n outside. Here all the terms is having this particular thing as same, so I'll take it outside. And 1 power n is also, see, 1 power n basically means what? 1 power anything is 1 itself, so you can eliminate, don't need to take common, you can eliminate this part. So n factorial, I'll take it outside. So what is remaining then? Inside the bracket it will be 3 into, so everything is gone, so 3 divided by x plus 2 power n plus 1 minus, here what is remaining? 1 divided by x minus 2 power n plus 1, here what is remaining? 2 divided by x minus 1 power n plus 1. This is the final answer.